introduction video to the Homping grill, showing you how to set it up, as well as explaining all the components involved with the Homping grill. First of all, you have the main unit itself, which is this guy here. Then we have the fat catching moat. We've got the ashtray or the ash collector, the charcoal holder, the roasting lid, ceramic coated grill plates, and grill exchange tongs. Alright, so now I'm going to start setting up the Homping grill. So first we'll put in our ashtray. So now we need to power up the Homping grill. We have two options for powering her up. Firstly, we have the AA battery options. Your second powering option for the Homping grill is using an external power bank, which is one of these guys. Just connect the cable and it easily connects to the side of the Homping grill. Now we need to ignite the Homping grill. We have two options for igniting the Homping grill. We can use some of this smokeless gel, which is highly recommended, or we can use fire lighters. We use our fire starting gel. Just pour it into the ash catcher. And now we light up the ignition gel. Next, place the charcoal holder on top of the ashtray. Put 3 to 4 pieces of charcoal inside of the charcoal holder, like so. And switch on the fan. So now the charcoals are heated up, you've ignited the Homping grill, the fan is running. Now we need to put the fat catching moat. And next we'll put on the grill plate using our provided grill exchange tongs. Remember, you can use these tongs at any stage if you need to open up the Homping grill to remove the grill. And finally, we have the roasting lid, so we can roast vegetables and all different varieties of meat. We're entering a new era of charcoal grilling. Stand out from the crowd at your next barbecue. Come and join the revolution and take your barbecuing to that next level.